Hi. What? Um. Okay. You may ask me what was happening right now. Today, I'll be telling you about my life or what's happening to me right now. This is not a drama story, but yeah, I hope you guys listen. Okay. Okay. You like my dance, huh? That's not my story, you motherfucker. Okay, let's be serious right now. All of us have been in love, right? Okay, so this story is about falling in love. No, this is not a spoiler of my song. Just listen, okay? Listen. From the past week, I've been through hell. After my last upload, I stopped uploading and editing videos of mine of what I record from the past, and I've been silent for like 2 weeks. I don't know, 2 weeks, 3 weeks, or days. I don't know, but yeah, I've been silent because there is something happening with my mental health right now, and I am not okay. That was cringe, but like, yeah, I am not okay, and I'm serious right now. There's this feeling I've been hiding from my parents and my friends, even my cousins, even my relatives. I've been suffering. I don't know what uh, I don't know what it's called, but like, yeah, I've been suffering from something right now. So I don't know if I'm allowed to say it, or do I even know what I'm talking about? But like, yeah, yes, this is about falling in love, and no, I am not quitting because of it, because I can fight it, and I will not give up. And okay, so this feeling has been like for like it's been happening for like there's a lot. I don't know. Do I have to say it? 4 months, 4 whole months, and it's going to be 5 months this May. So I don't know if I can survive it, but like I know how to distract myself, but like it's annoying. It's very annoying, and so yeah, I do want to talk about it, but like I am scared that some of you might judge me, especially. Do I have to say the name? No, I will not say the name. Especially about that one guy here. I know damn well that he will like judge me, because there's this time that he told me, if you're feeling that way, just seek help. Then I told him to help me. You know what he did? He left me when I seek for help. He's the only guy who knows that I'm feeling this way, but he left me when I seek for help. And okay, I felt disappointed because he told me to seek help, and when I told him that I need help, that I need him to help me, he didn't. He left me. Oh yes, that hurts. That hurts. But I'm okay now. I don't care about the guy, because I already told my friends that I'm feeling this way, and they helped me. But yeah, I'm still disappointed of him. I hate him so much. But like, yeah, I don't know. But yeah, as much as I said it before that I love everyone, well, I'm gonna say it now, except for my haters and my enemies, and especially strangers. I don't. Let's not. Let's not. After all of what happened, I I distract myself every day, and I told myself to never fall in love again. I promised myself that if I fall in love, I will. I will beat myself. Okay, so but yeah, I'm serious. I will beat myself up because I don't want to see myself falling in love again after it happened. And if you want me to expose the guy, I will. I have a lot of screenshots. I have a lot of screenshot right now, and I have a lot of evidence. I have a lot of proofs, and I can tell you all the story. But you know what? I will just write it down in the description so all of you will just read it while listening to my voice. So yeah, you like my voice. Okay, let's just forget about everything, and because I am distracting myself and I don't want to hear about that story ever again. So yeah, thank you guys so much for listening. I love you all. Mwah. So let's go to our main content. You want to see a magic trick? Okay then.